Hey everybody, I'm known as 3D Printing Online. I wanted to help you guys that own the bamboo A1s or any of the bamboos with the nozzles like this. You got to get yourself a no clogger. I'm gonna leave a link. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. I'm gonna show you how I clean mine out when they clog. And yeah, there's other ways, and people are gonna say, yeah, blah blah blah, whatever. Anyway, get you one of these torch lighters and heat this up real good. And then also, this one ain't dirty, but I got a brass brush right there. You want to brass brush them when they get real dirty. This might be hot enough already. I'm starting to feel it a little bit on the fins. Okay, now watch this. This is like magic. I'm going to put this in the hole. Are you ready? Okay, I'm going to stay back here. That's where it's in focus. Ready? I'm going to push. See it? That's every bit of it. There's nothing else left in there. Whoop! I was looking through my camera, and it's harder to tell what you're doing. Anyways, I shouldn't have. I messed up letting it fall onto the deal because I just made myself have to clean it up. This is what I'm doing right now. I still have the no clogger in it. I'm basically just helping hold it because I wanted to show you something. I'm put my finger right here. Pull this out. See? Goes clear to the end. Okay, now if you feel like you don't have it clean enough yet, heat this up. Heat this up. You can heat this up some more and just do it one more time, and you'll get a really nice clean. It feels really good now. You can't see me, but so this is what I use. You see that come out of there like it did? That was cool. I'll put it on YouTube, and then when people are asking me about it, I'll give them my YouTube link to this video. Thank you guys for watching.